Exercise 8.1 Problem 20 Discussion. Let's read the problem. The inner curved surface area of a hemispherical dome of a building needs to be painted. If the circumference of the base is 17.6 meters, find the cost of painting it at the rate of 5 per square meter. So let's mark what is given in the problem. Okay, it's the hemispherical dome. The shape is an hemispherical dome. The inner curved surface area is getting painted. Okay, circumference of the base is 17.6 meters. Then the rate of painting is rupees 5 per square meter. Anything else? I guess this is it. So let's write it out. Circumference of the base is 17.6 meters. Unit rate of painting is 5 rupees per square meter. The dome shape and inner curved surface area, I'm not listing it, but we have already gone through that. Okay, so let's draw the diagram. So this is how the dome will look. So the inner area of the dome needs to be painted. Okay, so that is nothing but the curved surface area of the hemisphere. So that is the area which is actually getting painted. Next, if you look at the bottom, the base is nothing but in the form of a circle. So this is what they have given. That is, circumference of the circle is 17.6 meters, from which you can calculate the radius, and the radius of the circle is also the radius of the hemisphere. Okay, so if you draw a line, so this is the center, and this will be the same. This is the radius of the hemisphere, and this is the radius of the circle. So if you calculate the radius of the circle, that is a base, you will also get the radius of the hemisphere. Both are the same. Okay, now let's get into what do we need to calculate. Let's see. Okay, we need to find out the cost of painting of the inner curved surface area. So we need to calculate the cost of painting. So now let's list the formulas. Cost of painting is area into unit rate. This is normal. Okay, area into unit rate. But do we know the area? We don't know the area. So we'll have to calculate the area. And what is this area? As I discussed earlier, this area of painting is nothing but the curved surface area, because they say inner curved surface area is getting painted. So the CSA of this hollow hemisphere is the area of painting. So let's write the formula. CSA equal to 2 pi r square. Again, can we calculate this? No, we can't, because we don't know the value of r. Okay, but if you see the given, they have given circumference is 17.6 meters. That is of the base. As I discussed earlier, this is nothing but it is the circle. Okay, it is in the form of a circle, and that radius is also the radius of the hemisphere. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r, and this equation radius can be calculated. Once you calculate the radius here, you come to this formula, you'll be able to calculate the curved surface area using 2 pi r square. Once we know the curved surface area, then you can come into this step and you can calculate the cost of painting, because area is known here. Okay, that is fine. Now let me summarize the steps. Substitute the value of circumference, which is 17.6 meters, in the formula circumference equal to 2 pi r, and calculate radius. Step 2. Substitute the value of radius r, which we have calculated in step 1, in the formula CSA equal to 2 pi r square, and calculate curved surface area. Step 3. Calculate the cost of painting using the formula cost of painting equal to area into unit rate of painting, but area is curved surface area in this case, because they say inner curved surface area is getting painted. So it is CSA into unit rate of painting. So that is how this problem needs to be worked. As I've been telling, you always work backwards when you are thinking about how to solve the problem. So here what you are starting with, what is asked? We are asked to calculate cost of painting. Write the formula for that. Say area into unit rate. We don't know area. We'll have to calculate area. So think about area. See, area is nothing but curved surface area. So write the formula for curved surface area. And again you see you can't calculate curved surface area because R is not given. Then you look into the given information, you'll be able to see there is one information, circumference, which we have not used, and that if you put into use, you'll be able to get. Circumference is 2 pi r because it is in the circular shape. So from this, radius can be calculated, and then CSA can be calculated, then cost of painting can be calculated. So when you think backwards, but when you work in the forward direction, because you have to start with the given information. Okay, now pause the video and try to work this problem on your own, and after finishing, come back and check you are working with what is given in the solution part of the video. Okay, solution. Circumference is 17.6 meters. Unit rate of painting is 5 rupees per square meter. Circumference of the base is 2 pi r because it is in this circular form. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 17.6. So r will be 17.6, 7 will go up, and 2 and 22 will come down. So 17.6 into 7 divided by 2 into 22, I think 11 will go here once, and then 66, it's 1.6, and this will go 2 times. Then you cancel everything, you'll be able to get 2.8 centimeters. So radius of the hemisphere is 2.8 centimeters. Then you calculate the curved surface area. CSA is equal to 2 pi r square, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.8 into 2.8. 7 will go 4 times, and on simplification you'll be able to get 49.28 meters square. Once we know the area, cost of painting is area into unit rate, 49.28 into 5, that gives us 246.40. that is cost of painting is 246 rupees and 40 paise. Okay, so it looks little complicated, but if you break it and solve it bit by bit, you'll be able to get it easily. Okay, thanks for watching.